More than 76,000 believers and tourists from home and abroad attended a grand Tibetan Buddhist event known as the Sunning of the Buddha ceremony, held Friday at the Labran Monastery in northwest China's Gansu province. The annual event is one of the most important ceremonies at Labran Monastery, one of the 6 great temples of the Gelug sect of Tibetan Buddhism, which was built in 1709. The centuries-old ceremony is held each year on the 13th day of the first lunar month. It is not only a grand festival for Buddhists, but also a platform to showcase the unique Tibetan culture and customs to tourists.
这几天我们下河的酒店、民宿的游客入住率达到了99%。通过拉卜楞寺正月法会的活动的开始，对我们下河的旅游也起了一个好头。
The ceremony had been suspended since 2020 due to the COVID-19 epidemic.